ultimate guide to diamond kerb rim repairs. Step-by-step tutorial.
Kerb damaged wheel, no structure damage.
Now we've got a diamond cut repair. So I'll show you guys the whole process on how to do the diamond cut repair. Mobile. We do it on site. So let's do this.
Step 1. Step 3. Step 4.
Right now we've done the grinding, we've done the sanding. We start with 120, go down to 320. And I'm basically just prepping the wheel, cleaning the wheel for us to mask out and then spray. And then I'll show you the finished product.
Step 5. Step 6.
Okay, so now basically we've got the taping done, which I'll show you. We're getting it prepped, I'll clean it, and then we're going to start spraying. And then finalize with the clear coat. And that's the whole process.
Step 7. Step 8. Step 9.